Hi, I'm Aaron Wills, and this is Skip, our company's spokeschicken, and we'd like to introduce you to our tabletop game called Dice Fight. Though we've created several versions of the Dice Fight game, today I'd like to highlight our original recipe, the Chicken Edition, which features 54 playing cards, 80 unique chickens, each with their own sparkling personalities, 6 dice, instructions, and our signature fried chicken carryout bucket. The game, you see, is not only a lot of fun to play, but it also has a unique table presence that really catches the eye at conventions and events. We'll also add a lot of cheerfulness to your dining room table. The Chicken Edition of Dice Fight has already been very well received. Over 130 game buckets have been sold at local arts and crafts fairs, also some locally crafted game fairs, and also just word-of-mouth sales through our online site, dicefight.net. Dice Fight has been play tested and revised for almost 2 years now, and has received very positive feedback when demoed at game conventions and fairs. But much more important than the feedback sheets is the laughter and smiles that friends experience when playing this simple, fun, take-that game together. Dice Fight is a 2 to 6 player family game. It takes about 3 minutes to learn, 20 minutes to play. It features cheerful artwork and a fast-paced flow with simultaneous engagement for all players. It has a chaotic structure so that players don't have to wait around for their turn. Anyone can play the Take That action cards at any time. It also has simple but surprisingly strategic mechanics that allow friends and families to play over and over again, having fun together every time. So I hope you'll give Dice Fight a try. If you play your cards wisely and get just a little bit of luck from the dice, it'll be winner, winner, chicken dinner. I've just about sold out of my self-published copies of the game, and I'd love to now partner up with a publisher and help get this game out of the coop and into the free range. So if you'd like any more information on that, feel free to send me an email, or you can contact me through the website, dicefight.net. Thanks.